So today I'm actually at a python temple, and snakes are revered here as well. This is one of the pythons at the python temple, and you can make an animal sacrifice. The blood of the animal will actually invoke the python spirit, the snake spirit. It will help protect you, guide you, and give you energy and strength. I grew up traveling in the backseat of my family's wood-paneled station wagon. Getting lost fills my soul. It's who I am. It's embedded in my DNA. I'm on a mission to explore and experience every country on the planet, visiting the craziest, most unique places and people in every corner of the world. I'm Jim Kitchen. Join the journey. Today, I'm in the tiny African country of Benin, which is located between Nigeria and Togo. And I'm also in Ouida, which is the spiritual capital, but the capital of voodoo. Now, as many of the slaves that were brought to the Caribbean, specifically to Jamaica, to Haiti, and to Cuba, the voodoo that's practiced there today actually originated from here in Benin. Now, some equate voodoo with black magic, but in its truest form, that is not the case. They're actually monotheists who believe in a supreme god, that's Maolisa, and then they have hundreds of other spirits. Some people will go to church in the morning, a Christian church in the morning, and then practice voodoo at night. And the two religions actually intersect nicely. Let me give you an example. A friend from high school, when she lost something, she would invoke the Saint Anthony, and she would say, Saint Anthony, please come around. Something's been lost but can't be found. Similarly, they do the same thing. This is the spirit of Gu. And if you've lost something, you can ask Gu to help you. You can swear on Gu by kissing a coin. You can invoke the spirit of Gu. You can ask him to help you find something, and if you kiss the coin and swear on Gu that you didn't take something from someone, you can also wish ill on someone else if they actually stole something from you. So one of the highlights of my time in Benin was seeing some of the cool things in the spiritual capital of Ouida. And if you make it here, be sure to visit the Enchanted Forest and the Python Sanctuary. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to keep exploring and learning about the rest of the world. Join the journey.